Hi everyone, I am Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. In this session, we are going to discuss about design of experiment. Design of experiment is a systematic approach for planning, conducting and analyzing experiments efficiently. It helps identify key factors affecting a process while minimizing resources and effort. It is widely used in engineering, manufacturing and research. Why we are using here now? To optimize performance and improve quality. Here we are having three basic principles in design of experiment: randomization, replication, local control. Randomization: a set of objects is said to be randomized when they are arranged in random order. Replication: repeating the experiment multiple times to estimate variability and improve the reliability of results. In local control, grouping similar experiment units to reduce the variation. Here we are having three types of experimental designs. They are completely randomized design, randomized block design and Latin square design. A completely randomized design is one of the simplest type of experimental design used in statistics. It is continuously applied in agriculture, biological and industrial experiments where all the experimental units are considered homogeneous, that is similar or identical in characteristics. In completely randomized design, each unit has an equal chance of receiving any treatment. There is only one factor, that means only one independent variable being tested here. Randomization helps to estimate bias and balances out the effect of any lurking variable, which is also known as one-way classification. Here we are having testing the variable only one, that means column wise. In randomized block design, it is an experimental design used to control the effects of unknown sources of variability among experimental units. It is a step up in complexity from a complexity randomized design and is often used where you suspect that some blocking factor like location, time or batch might affect the outcome. In randomized block design, controls variable among blocks here. For example, we can take soil type, time of a day, machines used. Then treatments are randomized within each block. Improves accuracy and precision of results by reducing unexplained variability. Latin square design. A Latin square design is a more advanced experimental design used when there are two sources of variability blocking factor that need to controls in addition to the treatment effect also. In randomized block design, we are using column factor and row factor. In Latin square design, we are using column factor, row factor and treatment effect also. In Latin square design requires that number of treatments is equal to number of rows is equal to number of columns. Then only we can apply Latin square design. In randomization is done with the Latin square structures. Control two nuisance variables, row and column factor, unlike CRD and RBD, which control only one or none. Coming to the conclusion, the design of experiment provides structural approach for planning and analyzing experiment efficiently. It helps control variability using design like completely randomized design, randomized block design and Latin square design, improving the accuracy of results. By applying design of experiment, research can make reliable conclusion and optimize the process across various fields. Thank you.